A zero-ended phone shows connected to Wi-Fi but still says no internet. Ready for stating, right? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share a couple of quick and effective fixes that actually work, and we will get you back online in no time. So grab your phone and let's solve this issue together. Step 1. Reset Wi-Fi connection. Alright, first thing first, let's refresh your Wi-Fi link. Tap on your connected Wi-Fi network and hit forget to remove it. Now restart your phone. This clear out any temporary network glitches. Once your phone's power back on, go back to your Wi-Fi settings, choose your Wi-Fi network, enter your Wi-Fi password and hit connect. Most of the time, this little tricks is enough to bring your internet back. But if you're still seeing that annoying message, don't stress. We have got another solid fix coming up that's definitely work for you. Step 2. Set static IP and DNS. The step may sound a bit technical, but don't stress. I will make it easier for you and I will guide you through step by step. Go back to your Wi-Fi, tap on the same network and hit forget. Then select your Wi-Fi again, type in your Wi-Fi password. Before pressing connect, open advanced option. Under Wi-Fi settings, switch from DHCP to static. You will now see fields for IP addresses and DNS. For the IP addresses, you might see something like 192.168.1.128. Don't touch the beginning part, just increase the last number by 1, like this, 192.168.1.129. Now scroll down and in the DNS2 field, type 8.8.4.4. That's Google's public DNS server. They're fast, secure, and super reliable. Once you have tapped them correctly, go ahead and click on connect. And that's it. Your phone should be back online right away.